Have more developments coming in. Rajya Sabha MP from Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh, has given a suspension of business notice in Rajya Sabha under Rule 267. Singh has further demanded a discussion on special intensive revision of the voter lists in Bihar. Moreover, Congress MP Manickam Tagore has also submitted an adjournment motion to discuss the urgent matter of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar and its threat to democratic rights. The motion is it's a motion moved in Lok Sabha to draw the attention of government to a definite matter of urgent public importance by adjourning the normal business of the House. Remember, both the House are to reconvene at 11 a.m. today for the day 2 of the parliamentary monsoon session. Mehndi, take us through the details that are regarding this motion that Aam Aadmi Party has filed.
Well, definitely, Ria, during the ongoing monsoon session of Parliament, Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh has submitted a suspension of business notice under Rule 267 in the Rajya Sabha, and the notice calls for an urgent discussion on the issue of the special intensive revision of voter lists in Bihar. And not only this, Ria, but also Sanjay Singh expressed concern over alleged irregularities and inconsistencies in the voter list being revised in Bihar. And according to the Rajya Sabha MP, Ria, discrepancies in the electoral rolls could potentially undermine the democratic process and also disenfranchise the large section of voters. So these are some of the statements and some of the speculations by Sanjay Singh, and he also urged the chair to suspend all scheduled business in the House to prioritize a comprehensive discussion on this matter. Talking about Rule 267 Ria of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, it allows a member to move a motion for suspension of the day's listed business in order to discuss an issue of urgent public importance, and such notices are very rare and require the approval of the chair to be admitted. Also, this move by Sanjay Singh comes amid the politically charged atmosphere that we all saw in Rajya Sabha as well yesterday on the first day of the monsoon session, with several opposition parties raising concerns rather about the credibility of electoral processes ahead of the upcoming elections. Yes,
All
Priya.
right, Mehndi, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast, shifting our focus to some news.